Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan about her life in agriculture, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now Karol is back with the recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
We're always excited when our Common Ground volunteers come on the show and they share recipes with us. And Karol is here from the Columbus area. You have a good one for us today.
Yes, I do. It's called a Strawberry Delight, or Sweetheart Strawberry Delight. And one of my church lady friends gave it to me. Bless their hearts.
You can't go wrong with those church recipes.
No, and this time of year we quilt in January and February. So, of course, when you quilt, you got to have snacks.
And you share the good recipes,
and
right?
So we quilt and we have snacks, and then we have, what do you call it, free counseling at quilting or something like that. We always laugh about that. Everybody should come quilt. They get free psychological help.
Oh, I like that. I need to cover that.
And we always laugh. You know, what happens at quilt stays at quilting, and so it's fun. But
Except
anyway,
for the recipes, share those.
We share the recipes.
Yeah.
So you mix a cup of sugar and a 8-ounce pack of cream cheese softened, and then some vanilla in there.
Looks like you did a good job softening that.
Yeah, we'll hope so anyway.
Okay.
And then we'll quickly
spread that over.
Yeah. Do you want to see if we can?
Sure.
You kind of plop it in there, and we'll kind of get it spread around a little bit so we can get our cherries in there too.
Okay. And what's the base, Karol?
It's a pop biscuits, the crescent roll pop biscuits, the Pillsbury ones or whatever.
Okay.
And you use that on the bottom, and I sprayed it a little bit before I did it.
Okay.
And then you put that on there, and then we'll put a layer of just 1 can of cherry pie filling, and I thought I better bring it in a bowl, because if my can opener malfunctioned, that wouldn't be good. Okay. And you spread it over.
Spread all of that on top. Okay.
Spread all of it on top, and it's just super, super easy. There's just
no way you can make this
no
bad.
way you can mess it up, no, because you got cream cheese and cherries to begin with.
Yes, okay.
And then we'll unroll the other. This is another package. You have 2 packages, so you just unroll the other package, and I did try to keep my
so you keep them together, and then you just roll it out.
Yeah, you just roll it out like this over the top. And we'll try to be quick on here and just lay it out over the top.
Okay, perfect.
And then
wow.
We'll sprinkle some. My butter's not very, but if you put melted butter, we'll just
put that on top.
Yeah,
and then you sprinkle it with nuts and powdered sugar.
And powdered sugar, yeah. So we'll do the nuts real quick here.
And then powdered sugar. And how long do you bake it for?
A half hour. And a half hour we'll do it at 350.
Okay.
And so we'll just sprinkle some powdered sugar over like this.
Look at that. Great. And then here it is, finished. We'll give it a try here.
Yes, and it's tasty with Cool Whip or ice cream. Anything's good with ice cream.
Be good warmed up.
Yes. Yes,
Oh, wow.
I baked that last night, and that's what the farmer said at home. You got to eat it warm.
This is amazing, and this recipe is on our Facebook pages already if you want to copy it down. Karol, thank you.
Thank you so much for having us. We love it.